and a very warm welcome. I am Richi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. European Union crypto law MiCA set for vote today. Bitcoin may be banned. Luna overtakes ETH to become the second most staked asset. Ripple has plans for the $40 billion NFT market. The futures of sports may straddle cryptos and NFTs, says PwC report. Singapore to tax income generated from NFT transactions. Terraform Labs donates $1.1 billion for Luna Foundation guards reserves. Bitcoin trades near $38,000 ahead of European Union vote, Fed meet. Ukraine to launch NFTs to mark history of Russian invasion. The European Parliament's Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on a draft of the market in crypto assets today, with the proposed rule that could effectively ban the leading proof-of-work cryptocurrency Bitcoin in the European Union. A previous draft of the MiCA framework contained a strongly worded provision that proposed a prohibition of crypto services that rely on environmentally unsustainable consensus mechanism starting in January 2025. But the provision was later scrapped following industry backlash. The European Union parliamentarian in charge of the MiCA legislative framework, Dr. Stephen Berger, said at the time that the paragraph in question has been removed, but a final decision has not yet been made. The current draft contains a late addition that looks to limit the use of cryptocurrencies powered by an energy-intensive computing process known as proof of work. Although the vote is still a close call, a small majority of committee members may vote against the measure. Luna has become second most staked primary digital currency in total value locked, surpassing Ethereum according to data. Terra's Luna coin total value locked jumped to $29.5 billion last week, more than $28 billion in TVL of Ether coin data showed. Luna is also ahead of Ethereum in number of stakers. According to Staking Rewards, Luna has over 226,325 token stakers, which is 4 times the amount of Ether stakers at 54,768. But of course, Solana has far ahead than Terra and Ethereum with over $35 billion total value locked. A key reason for Luna overtaking ETH may be higher staking rewards. Luna rewards users an average of 6.62% of their investments for annual staking revenues, while ETH offer 4.81% in staking rewards, which are relatively lower. In a bid to strengthen the non-fungible token support, the Ripple X team in charge of the development of the XRP ledger will soon propose a new NFT standard for its NFT DevNet. According to the Ripple team, the proposal will be included in an upcoming software release. The NFT DevNet allows developers and creators to iterate their NFT projects before it is released to the mainnet. With the upgrade, Ripple hopes to give developers and the XRP community the tools to fuel their innovativeness. It hopes that with the upgraded tools, additional tokenization capabilities will eventually be uncovered. Ripple is also looking to a future where NFTs emerge from just being collectibles to having real-world utility. A few areas being explored for deploying NFTs include media and entertainment, carbon credits, and real estate. A new report by PwC places non-fungible tokens and digital assets among the top 10 trends within the sports industry. The report, which details the sports outlook for North America, reveals that the future of the sporting industry lies at an intersection with non-fungible tokens. Citing various factors ranging from altering sports technology infrastructure to driving fan engagement, the report points to 3 main use cases for NFTs in the sporting industries, especially in the form of collectibles, tokenized passes, and virtual access tokens. Among collectibles, NFTs, minting and trading of players' trading cards, match tickets, and other objects or materials that can be placed on the blockchain will gain popularity, while NFTs too could allow fans to get digitized tokens of the matches they attend and also have access to their special benefits even if they lose their physical cards. Finally, NFTs can provide virtual access tokens for sports fans who prefer the virtual experience that comes with the space. With interest in the metaverse and related space spiking to new highs, these virtual tokens would become much more in demand. Singapore, a tax haven with some of the lowest income tax rates in Asia, has announced that it will tax income derived from non-fungible tokens transactions. Lawrence Wong, Singapore's finance minister, announced in the parliament that tax treatment will be determined based on the nature and use of the NFTs. Wong added that the tax would apply to people who derive income from NFT transactions, including those who trade NFTs. However, due to the absence of a capital tax regime in Singapore, individuals deriving capital gains from the NFT transactions will not be taxable. Do Kwon, founder and CEO of Terraforms Labs, which develops the blockchain ecosystem consisting of Terra and the Terra USD stablecoin, announced that TFL has donated 12 million Luna or $1.1 billion to the Luna Foundation Guard. LFG was launched in January to grow the Terra ecosystem and improve the sustainability of its stablecoins. Kwon noted that the funds denominated in Luna will be burned to mint USD to grow the LFG's reserves. The burning of $1 in USD results in the minting of $1 in Luna and vice versa. At current prices, this reflects another $1.2 billion inflow of USD reserves. Terra Luna is currently trading around $88. Cryptocurrencies traded lower, with Bitcoin briefly falling below $38,000 in morning trades Monday ahead of a key European Union vote and crypto law later today, and as investors remained concerned over Federal Reserve rate hike later this week. The European Parliament's Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on a draft of the market in crypto assets today, with the proposed rule that could effectively ban the leading proof-of-work cryptocurrency Bitcoin in the European Union. The US Federal Reserve will vote on a rate hike proposal later this week, even as Russia continues its advances into Ukraine, with analysts expecting Chairman Jerome Powell to deliver a 25 basis points rate hike. The central bank will also reveal new forecasts for interest rates, inflation, and the economy. Bitcoin was trading at $38,067, down nearly 3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency, was near $2,500, down 2.3% during the same period. Other major altcoins too traded lower. The Ukrainian government is going to launch a non-fungible token marking the history of the Russian invasion, with unique digital art in its latest use of digital assets to fund its war efforts. The country's Deputy Minister of Digital Transformation, Alex Bornyakov, said the NFT collection would be like a museum of the Russian-Ukrainian war. "We want to tell the world in NFT format," Bornyakov said. Each token would carry a piece of art representing a story from a trusted news source. The minister made it clear that they were not using crypto fund to buy lethal weapons. They were using the crypto donations to fund media activities, buying night vision goggles, optics, helmets, and bulletproof vests. Ukraine has so far received over $100 million in crypto donations from around the world. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.